Today I want to address the most common question that we get asked. What is the cost of dental implants and is there any insurance coverage on them? So the cost will very much depend on the extent of the procedure that you require. If you are a suitable candidate for a dental implant and the procedure is fairly straightforward, you're looking anywhere from $3,500 to $5,000 or even $5,500 here in Australia. There is quite a range in fees that different surgeons will charge, and that will depend on the protocols that they use, the laboratory that they use, whether it's local laboratory or an overseas laboratory. The cost will vary from surgeon to surgeon, but also what laboratory that surgeon uses to make the crown for your implant, whether materials are sourced here in Australia or overseas. However, if you need extensive bone grafting to regenerate bone before you can have an implant, then that will add to the cost of the procedure, anywhere in the vicinity of, let's say, $2,000 to $3,500. If you are having multiple implants done, they actually come down in cost per implant. So if you have 2 or 3 or 4 or even a mouthful of teeth replaced, then the cost will come down probably to somewhere between $3,000 to $4,000 per tooth. So it is more cost effective to have multiple implants done than just one single one replaced. So does insurance cover any of this? Yes, if you do have an appropriate level of cover that does cover you for dental implants or major dental, then you will get some rebate from insurance. However, from our experience, generally insurance does pay a small amount, and I don't recommend that patients expect to get a high percentage of the fee back. Another handy thing to make you manage your finances is it's good to know that after the initial consultation and a scan, your dentist will give you a treatment plan with all the associated fees and item numbers, and you can make an inquiry with your insurance to see what coverage you are eligible for. Another thing that might be helpful to know, and I do another video on this, is that if you're thinking of spreading your payments over a period of time, then a payment plan might be a suitable option for you. It's also good to know that an implant process is actually a process and not all the payment is due in one go. So you might not even need a payment plan. Your implant might take anywhere from 3 to 12 months to complete, and therefore it gives you time to save up and manage your finances.